Are you one of those people who like to starve yourself before you work out? So when you work out, you're constantly feeling hungry? If you're one of those people, then this video is for you. Hello everyone, I am Coach Jojo IFBB Pro. I am a personal trainer, Pilates instructor, and also a nutrition coach. So in today's video, it's targeted to tell you whether you should fast and then you go for your exercises, or you should do it the other way around. I know a lot of people likes to do fasted cardio, fasted workout, or even intermittent fasting, and because of that, usually do not eat anything before you go for your workout. So I'm going to tell you what is my preference and what do I think that can help you. Now, first of all, I want to say that if you want to exercise, right, you want to have a good workout, you need to have enough energy. So having enough energy is very, very important. Okay, so if you do not eat before you exercise, you might risk not having enough energy. Okay, then what will happen is your workout will be half-ass. Okay, so I will censor that word. Yeah, so that is the reason why I will not starve myself. I will not go for a fasted cardio or fasted workout, okay, because I will not have enough energy to really push myself when I'm working out. Okay, so that is the reason. But does that mean that fasted cardio doesn't work or fasted workout doesn't work? No. Okay, so when I'm doing my competition, I do fasted cardio. Okay, so I will do a fasted cardio in the morning before I have my breakfast. Then after my fasted cardio for like the maximum 30 minutes, then I will, go on with my life, my work. Then I will do my second workout, my heavy training workout in the afternoon or in the evening. Why I keep my workout later on is because I know that I need to use a lot of energy, I need a lot of concentration when I'm doing my heavy workout. So therefore, if I am hungry, I will not be able to push myself that hard. So that is the reason why I am doing that. But it doesn't mean that I say that fasted workout or fasted cardio is not good. It's good because I did it when I was prepping for my bodybuilding competition. So it does help to help you burn a little bit of extra calorie. But let's think about this. If you eat something, okay, then you need to go for a workout, go for your cardio or whatsoever, you are actually able to push yourself much harder. So just imagine if you are going to eat, okay, you eat a little bit and then your performance will be so high. But if you do not eat, right, you starve yourself, your energy level will be lower, and then your workout also will be lesser, okay, will be less effective because you do not have enough energy to run or to do your workout. Okay, so what do I prefer people to do is to really eat something, allow yourself to have the energy, then you can push yourself higher. Okay, I've experimented this in myself. Okay, if I do not eat anything, I'll go on the treadmill, I'll run the slowest, okay, because I just do not have enough energy. Okay, I'm starving, I'm hungry, and I cannot focus. I will be like, my mind will be everywhere, I couldn't focus, right? But if I have a good meal before I start my workout, then I am laser focused. I know exactly what I need to do, what I want to do, and what I have to do. So that is a very, very big difference. So in my opinion, I would tell people to really test it out yourself. Yeah, test it out yourself and see how your body reacts. Some people will feel fasted exercises actually do help them to improve their performance. Okay, because after they have a heavy meal, very often they feel like, you know, the stomach is too full, they are not able to digest the food, or they actually feel sleepy after a big meal. So if you're one of those people, then fasted probably is a good option for you. If you are a person like me, like I cannot function without food, okay, without the energy, then you make sure that eat something before you go for your workout and do not starve yourself. So if you like this type of video, okay, please help to subscribe to this channel, okay, share this video out to all your friends and make sure you click the like button and also the notification button, so you every time when I upload a new video, you get a notification about it. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next video, and do not forget to support me so that I can have enough motivation to do more video like this.